Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to create shorts on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the YouTube app on your phone and sign into your account. Then tap the plus button from the bottom toolbar. Select Create a Short from the pop-up menu. You need to allow access to your camera and microphone. The shorts recording screen will appear, and there will be a number of options there. You can create a video for your shorts, or you can add any video from your camera roll. If you tap the number above the record button, you can choose the video length between 15 or 60 seconds. I am going to add a video from my gallery. You need to allow access to the photos and media. After selecting the video, tap on Next. You can add music to play during the video. Search through YouTube's music library, and choose the music you like. Then tap on Next. Now tap on Adjust. Drag the box around to select the portion of the song you want to use. Tap Done when finished. Now tap on Text. You can write anything, and you will get a bunch of options for how the text should look. You can change text alignment, add text background, change font style, and change color. When finished, tap on Done. You can place this anywhere in the screen. Now tap on Timeline. You can drag the handles for the text to adjust when it should appear and disappear in the video. Tap Done when finished. Now tap on Filters. You can apply any filter to your video. Tap Done when you are finished. When you are finished with the edits, tap Next in the top right corner. Now give a name to your short. From here you can choose visibility. You can also schedule your short. And you can select the audience. Once you are done, tap Upload from the top right corner. And your video started uploading. The upload time will depend on your video size and internet speed. The video is uploaded. Tap on See Video. This is your uploaded short. So these are all the things you need to know about creating shorts on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.